Happy Grinch Day, Mrs. Hensley's friends. Okay, this is our fun activity for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the lessons that Mrs. Hensley pushed out today. You are going to be making a Grinch. You are going to need your Santa hat. You are going to need your green Grinch head. You are going to need cotton balls. You are going to need a yellow circle. You are going to need glue. You are going to need scissors. You are going to need a pencil. And if you have a black marker, if you don't have a black marker, you could use a black crayon, okay? Okay, let's get started making our Grinch Craft. Okay, your Grinch Craft, you're going to take this first and you're going to cut this out, okay? So you're cutting out on the line. Mrs. Hensley's not going to do it showing you because Mrs. Hensley's already made her Grinch. Okay, so you're cutting this out first, okay? Then you are cutting this out, the Santa hat. Do not cut right here because if you cut right here, you're cutting it off. So you're only cutting on the outside lines, okay? Don't cut this line here because then that will be cut off, okay? Just the outside line, okay? Once you have cut both of these out, okay, you're going to glue your hat on top of the Grinch's head, okay? And it will look like this. Yours will be pointing the other way, okay? Then you're going to take your yellow circle and cut it in half. If you want to fold it in half and then cut on that line, you can, that line right there, or you don't have to fold it, you can just cut it in half like that. Okay, you're going to need these two for his eyes. Okay, so once you have the Santa hat and you have the Grinch's head cut out, you're going to start making his face. And you can do this with a pencil and then go over it with a black marker or a crayon if you don't have a black marker. Or I go over it first with a pencil. That way I can erase if I don't like the way it looks. That is completely up to you. If you don't want to use a pencil, you don't have to. You can just go over it with your black marker or your black crayon, okay? So you're going to glue these little half circles on like this, okay? That's what you're going to do. Then you're going to make his eyebrows, okay? You're going to color in here black for his eyeballs. You're going to make a nose and a mouth, okay? And you'll make sure your name is up right here, actually, or on the back. You don't even have to have your name on it because you do not have to give this back to Mrs. Hensley. Okay, now, here's the deal, friends. We've got to use these cotton balls sparingly. That means we can't use all of our cotton balls, okay? So what you are going to do, let me cut this out real quick. That way I can show you what to do because you're going to need those cotton balls for another activity. So you can't use all those cotton balls for this activity, okay? Let me also remind you that my scissors are pointing to the sky. And, Mrs. Hensley's friends, when you are finished cutting your hat and your Grinch's head, these go in the trash. Don't forget that, okay? Mrs. Hensley is getting the Grinch is getting very hot. So she has got to take that off because it is hot with that on. Sorry, Mrs. Hensley dropped her cotton ball. Okay, so I have my hat, okay, and it's glued onto my head already. Okay, look, and my head's cut out. Okay, you're going to take your cotton balls, and like I said, be very careful because we're going to need these cotton balls for another activity, okay? So you're going to take your cotton balls and you're going to stretch it out as good as you can. And you know what? You can use a glue stick, but if you have real glue, it works so much better. Okay, Mrs. Hensley's just going to use her glue stick because that's all I have right here. I have real glue, but I have bottled glue, but I don't have it in here with me and I don't want to waste your time. Okay, so do you see how my one cotton ball got stretched out? Okay, you see that? It got stretched out quite a bit, didn't it? Okay, so you make sure you stretch out this cotton ball as much as you can. Okay, then you're going to put some glue. I'm just going ahead and putting some glue on this part of my hat, okay? And I'm just going to lay that on there, okay? Then I'm going to do another one, see, just like that, okay? Then I'm going to do another one. Stretch that cotton ball as much as you can. That way we're not wasting cotton balls and you have cotton balls for your next activity, okay? So there's that. I need one more cotton ball, little bit more glue. Stretch that cotton ball out because like I said, you're going to need more cotton balls for another activity, okay? Okay, and I'm gluing that one there. And it looks like this. I want one more there just to get some of these spaces that doesn't have any down here, okay, at the bottom. Moving it the wrong way. And I'm going to put it, I'm going to like make it in, take it apart in half because I need only part of this cotton ball, okay? And then I need the other part of it for this other area. Make sure you press down so it gets glued down really well, especially if you're using a glue stick, okay? So that looks like that. And then you need another cotton ball and glue right here, okay? So stretch it out really good because you need cotton balls again for another activity this week. Cotton balls, cotton balls, cotton balls, cotton balls, cotton balls, cotton balls. Okay, so 2 for this one, okay? 2 for this part. Stretch it out really good, friends. Okay, stretch it out really good. There you go. Okay, and this should be on top of Grinch's head after you've cut his head out. Moving it the wrong way, Mrs. Hensley. And you'll need his eyes, his nose, and his mouth. And it looks like this, okay? And you can change his mouth. It doesn't have to look exactly like Mrs. Hensley's Grinch's mouth. Okay, you guys have a fantastic job doing this. We're having a fun week this week, and make sure you look at that calendar so you know what tomorrow is. If you have dressed in Grinch, Mrs. Hensley will take a picture and send it out there for you guys to see my whole outfit. I'll have Madison take a picture. I'm putting out, if you have a picture that, because you've worn a Grinch outfit, or if you have a Grinch shirt or a Grinch hat, anything Grinch today, I want you to get on an iPad and there's an add button, okay? Leah's mom showed me that. We weren't sure if you could do this or not. We thought maybe I had to post an assignment, but I don't have to. So when you open it up to my class, you will see a green circle and it says add. Click that add button, take a picture of your Grinch self and add that and send it. I'm not sure if once you put the picture in there, if it just automatically sends to me or not, but try that. That should work and I should get that, okay? I want pictures this week and I can't wait, okay? So you guys have a wonderful Grinch day and, ooh, I wonder what tomorrow is. You will be getting, you've already gotten a list of what every day is, okay? So I will send that out again so you'll know what tomorrow will be. And Mrs. Hensley will be dressing up all week this week. Have a marvelous Monday, and I'm sorry this has gotten out to you late. It doesn't have to be done today if you would rather work on it tomorrow, okay? I love you all. I miss you. Have a marvelous Monday, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, friends. Bye, Grinch friends. Bye.